Hello, I'm Paul Sterrett, Counsel and Chief Global Risk Officer for Ubic Incorporated. I'm here today to introduce you to LitIView. A pioneering provider of eDiscovery software solutions in Asia, Ubic Incorporated has dealt with a number of enterprises representing Asia. That extensive knowledge base led to the development of LitIView, a fast and accurate proprietary eDiscovery support system that can handle documents which includes Asian languages. In electronic discovery, the key to an improved defensibility is the capacity to handle an enormous body of evidentiary documentation and submit relevant information in as short a time as possible. LitIView achieves all of this and more, delivering near instantaneous review and discovery of electronic evidence, including documents in Asian languages and their highly complex character codes. This serves as a powerful legal tool for enterprises around the world who have Asian operations. To see how Ubic achieves this, let's look at our CJK technology, which provides us with a significant edge over our competitors. The demands of eDiscovery are clear: to sift through and extract information responsive to a lawsuit from within the body of your corporate data. Because the differences between English and Asian languages are so significant, that task represents a major technical challenge. One of the largest hurdles in the issue of garbled or misidentified foreign language characters. A key reason for the appearance of garbled or misidentified characters is the inconsistent compatibility of different language settings, of different operating systems, applications, and header data as found in email or HTML. In Asia, they have a unique multi-byte character code. A combination of different language settings invariably invites unforeseen character misidentification, which deteriorates the accuracy of searches and unreadable files, greatly reducing review efficiency. Take Japanese as an example. It includes such diverse character encoding such as Shift JIS, JIS, and EUC. While some headers handle Asian languages, the vast majority of writing systems are done in Unicode. In addition, accurately extracting character and metadata information from email applications or compressed files is not so easy. To make matters worse, a broad array of email software applications are employed in Japan, including those uniquely developed for the Japanese market. LitIView readily handles a myriad of issues particular to Asia. The search function of our eDiscovery software handles character encoding unique to Japanese. It equates multi- and single-byte characters. It recognizes upper and lowercase characters. It assesses and improves search accuracy based on the knowledge and know-how of the accumulated experience and the service and the support of international litigation. LitIView also conducts regular expression and proximity searches, as well as search indexing technology that it can accommodate any language. LitIView also handles an array of popular email applications, along with email applications unique to Japan, accurately extracting body text and metadata, including accurately handling attachments and compressed files. Through predictive coding, LitIView automatically calculates scores for disclosure probability and achieves CJK TAR. But this can only be achieved because Ubic has the technology to accurately handle Asian languages. Now then, let's look at predictive coding, the core technology that enables LitIView to achieve CJK TAR. The predictive coding workflow is largely separated into three major steps. In step 1, a sample review is conducted on a minor fraction of the document universe. From this, weighting data for each keyword is developed. In step 2, This then serves as a reference baseline for the third and final predictive coding step. The main algorithm of predictive coding is based on text mining technology. In the broadest terms, this step involves morphological analysis and weighting of each keyword. Identifying keywords in Asian languages is far more challenging because unlike English, in which space separates words from each other, Asian languages run together for the entire phrase or sentence. LitIView focuses mainly on nouns to extract keywords, but tunes this respectively according to language. Keywords are numerically weighted. This weighting logic is a proprietary UBIC methodology and represents the domain our company is seeking to patent. With the calculated weightings, LitIView users can review and assess the weighting for each keyword in the document. The LitIView predictive coding technology analyzes all documents in the document universe. In this way, a probability score is generated for each document as to its relevancy to the lawsuit. In addition, one of the major upgrades in LitIView version 6.0, our latest release, is a function in which the reviewed results are automatically retrieved as training data. With this new function, training data is automatically updated, reducing the need to do it manually. And because this would improve the accuracy of predictive coding, it should also greatly improve the user's work efficiency. UBIC also developed a new logic to improve the accuracy of weighting by calculating the weighting of keywords in training data using multiple viewpoints and conducting multimodal evaluation of documents. What advantages does CJK-TAR performed by predictive coding offer? Let's take a look. In this chart, the y-axis represents the identification of hot or possibly hot documents, while the x-axis represents the progress of review. The documents that predictive coding has assigned higher weights are reviewed first. As this chart clearly shows, nearly 100% accuracy has been achieved for documents that have been identified as hot, despite only half of them being reviewed. Nearly 100% accuracy is again achieved for possibly hot documents after 75% of them have been reviewed. The upshot, a clear reduction in man-hours required for review may be expected. This chart shows the superior performance in terms of documents reviewed per hour that predictive coding delivers over human reviews. Predictive coding can review documents more than 4,000 times faster than humans. If 1 million documents are to be reviewed exclusively through predictive coding, then 10,000 documents, or just 1% of the total, will be required for a sample review in order to develop the necessary training data. This means a mere 16 man-days will be required to complete a sample review versus 1,563 man-days required to complete a human review of all 1 million documents. Obviously, machines alone cannot perform everything, but with results obtained from predictive coding, the improvement in review performance is dramatic and undeniable. Electronic discovery imposes strict deadlines on the submission of relevant documentation. Moreover, given that a company's document universe continues to expand by the day, it is now no longer realistically feasible to review its entirety by case experts alone. We are confident that LitIView's CJK-TAR will prove to be an invaluable tool in order to build an effective defense for enterprises with global operations facing international litigation within the constraints of the time that are imposed. Finally, feel free to ask our staff if you'd like to view a demonstration of UBIC's LitIView.